continuous time signal. X of t is the continuous time signal, and it satisfied the 4 Dirichlet conditions. What are the 4 Dirichlet conditions? What are the 4 Dirichlet conditions? Anyone, please respond.
X of t must be a single valued function, sir.
X of t must be a single valued function. Okay. Now, here given x of t is a continuous time signal and it is a single valued function. Next, second one is what is the second condition, Amma?
X of t has only a finite number of maxima and minima.
X of t has only finite number of maxima and minima. Okay. Now, next, third one. If it is a discontinuous function, x of t is a discontinuous, but it having the finite discontinuity. Okay, it having the finite discontinuities. Okay. Now, next, what is the fourth one, Amma? Which is the fourth one? X of t is a absolute
integral for any one period.
Over a one period. X of t is absolutely integrable over a one period. Okay. Now, so the given x of t it satisfied 4 Dirichlet conditions. Then only we can write the Fourier series of x of t. Okay. Now, here the Fourier series of given x of t in trigonometric form is, what is the equation, Amma? In last class already we discussed. X of t equal a naught plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity bn sin n omega naught t. Okay. Now, it is the Fourier series of the x of t. Okay. Now, x of t signal, Fourier series of the x of t signal in trigonometric form. Okay. Now, here what is mean by a naught, Amma? What is mean by a n? What is mean by bn? Here what is mean by a naught? What is mean by bn? What is mean by cn? A and b. A naught is the constant gada, first coefficient of the trigonometric form. An second coefficient, Bn third coefficient. Okay, now is it clear? Here A naught, An, Bn are coefficients. Coefficients of trigonometric Fourier series. Okay, na? First, very important topic is evaluation. Evaluation of A naught, An, and Bn. Okay, na? So in exam they will ask 12 mark question. So many times repeated this question. Evaluate the coefficients of evaluate the coefficients of trigonometric form of Fourier series. Okay, na 12 mark question, very important. Okay, na first see the evaluation of A naught. First we can evaluate the A naught. So then after we can evaluate the AN and BN. Okay, now is it clear? First see the evaluation. Okay. Already we know x of t equal A naught plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus sigma n equal 1 to infinity bn sin n omega naught t. It is the trigonometric form of x of t sigma. Okay. Now. Next, first integrate the above equation with respect to t on both sides over a interval or over a period t naught comma t naught plus t. Integrate the above equation over a one period or over a interval t naught comma t naught plus t on both sides. So next equation is integral t naught plus t x of t dt equal integral t naught to t naught plus t entire equation, right? The entire equation a naught plus n equal 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t sigma n equal 1 to infinity bn sin n omega naught t into dt. Okay. Integrate the above equation on both sides with respect to t over the interval t naught comma t naught plus. Is it correct? My screen is visible to all or not? Ma screen is visible or not? Amma? Anyone please respond. LR, screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na.
Sir.
Next to separate the terms. Okay, na. Integral t naught plus t a naught into dt. First term. Apply the integral to the first. Next, second. Next, third. Plus here sigma and an constant kada with respect to t. Here sigma n equal 1 to infinity an are constants. Okay. Now next integral t naught to t naught plus t. Okay. Next cos n omega naught t dt. Next term is sigma n equal 1 to infinity bn integral t naught to t naught plus t sin n omega naught t dt. Okay. Is it clear? First see the calculation of or integration of this one. Okay. Integral t naught plus t a naught into dt. Here a naught is constant. T naught integral t naught to t naught plus t 1 dt. What is the integral of 1 into dt ma? Roll number C3. Naresh. C3.
Sir,
What is the integral of 1 into dt? T. Integral of 1 into dt value is t. Lower limit is t naught, upper limit is t naught plus t. Next, apply the limits. Okay, now a naught t naught plus t minus t naught. That equal here t naught minus t naught. Both are cancelled. Value is a naught into t. Okay, now a naught into t value is this one. Is it clear? Integral t naught to t naught plus t into a naught into dt value is a naught into t. Okay. Now next see the calculation of this. Okay. Integral t naught plus t cos n omega naught t dt calculation. So before going to derivation of this equation, first we have to know the trigonometric coordinate system. 0 degree, 90 degree. What is the after 90 degree value? 0 degree, 90 degree. Next value is 180 degree. Next 270 degree. Next 360 degree. Okay, now start with 0, ends with 360 degree. Okay. So what is mean by time period among here? What is mean by time period? What is mean by time period amma? Anyone please respond. 465, Jayashree. Jhansi. Josnavi. $73. Kavyashree. Kirti. 74 Kirti, 75 Kirti, 76 Kirti, 83 Latish, 79 Krishna. Anyone please respond.
Time taken to complete one cycle.
Okay.
T is equal to 1 by f, sir.
It is the time required for completion of one full cycle. And here one full cycle means here 0 to 180 degree. Here 0 to 180 degree. Okay, now this is the time required for completion of 0 to 180 degree is called as a half of the time period. Why? Because 0 to 180 degree is the one half revolution only. Am I correct? Is the one half revolution. Okay. Next, 180 degree to 360 degree. It is the second half revolution. Okay. So for completion of this revolution, it will take t by 2. Okay, t by 2 for completion of one first half revolution. Next, second half revolution. For completion of second half revolution, we take it one more t by 2. Total value is t. Okay. It is the capital T is the time required for completion of one complete revolution. That means it start with 0 degree. Next, end with 360 degree. Okay, now from 0 to 360 degree is the time required. Okay, now that is called as a time. Okay, here, what is meant by 0 degree? In pi, it represented as a 0. Okay, in the form of pi, in terms of pi. Okay, now. Next, 90 degree represented as a which value? No? In terms of pi, Monica,
5 by 2.
5 by 2. 180 degree,
Pi is
270 degree, 270 degree, 3 pi by 2. Next, 360 degree, 2 pi. Okay. So pi value is 180 degree. Here, pi value is 180 degree. Okay. Pi value is 180 degree. So 0 means 0. 90 means 180 by 2. Pi by 2. Next 180 means pi. 270 means 3 pi by 2. That means 3 into 180 by 2. 2 nines are 9 3s are 270. Okay, nice. 3 pi by 2. 360 means 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 180 is 360. Okay. Next here 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Okay, now. These are the time intervals. So these are the complete time intervals. Okay. So first, before calculating of this, okay, now here we have two conditions. Here, if n equal even, n equal odd. So here, which are the even values, which are the odd values in this equation? Which are the even, which are the odd values? Zero is the even or odd? Zero and pi, both are even values or odd values? 0, 180 degree. Even or odd? Zero and 180 degree, even or odd values. Roll number A8. Even or odd, amma? Anyone please respond.
Even, sir.
Very good. A4 already responded. And pi by 2. Next, amma, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Okay. Now. So these are even or odd values.
Even, sir.
Ma pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. 0 to pi is even values. Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, 90 degree, 270 degree. Even or odd?
Irrational.
Odd values. Okay. Now. 1 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All are even values. Odd values are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These all are odd values. Here 90 and 270 are odd values. 0 and 180 are even values. Okay, is it clear? First, let n equal even. That means 0 to 5. Find the value. 0 to 5 cos n omega naught t dt. So what is the integral cos t into dt value? No? Integral cos t dt. Roll number C3. Integral cos t sin dt value is
Scientist minus
minus sin t. Okay, na yeah. Next, here 1 by n omega naught is constant. Minus 1 by n omega naught sin n omega naught t 0 to pi. Okay, na. Or t ma t equal to even, t equal odd. So substitute the t equal pi value, t equal 0 value. Okay, na. Minus n omega naught t sin n omega naught pi minus sin n omega naught 0 degree. So sin n omega naught 0 is sin 0. Sin 0 value is 0. Is it correct? Next, sin n omega naught pi m. Here, let n equal even, n equal odd values. Okay, na? So n equal even means 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Odd means 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, na? So first let n equal 1. Omega naught pi. N equal even, n equal odd. Sin n equal 0 or 2. Okay, na? 0 into omega naught pi plus sin into 2 omega naught pi. Okay, na? So sin 0 value is 0 plus sin 2 pi value is 0. Sin 3 pi 0, sin 4 pi sin 0 pi value is 0. Sin 2 pi value is 0. Sin 4 pi value 0. Sin 6 pi value 0. Sin 8 pi value is 0. For all n equal even values, its value is 0. Okay, na? Next, n equal odd. Sin 1 1 into omega naught pi sin 3 into omega naught pi plus sin 5 into omega naught pi. N equal 1, 3, 5. So what is the sin pi value? 0. Sin 3 pi 0. Sin 5 pi 0. It value equals to the 0. Okay. Now. Here for all values of n, its value is 0 minus 0. What is the total value? 0. Okay. Now. So 1 minus 1 by n omega naught into 0 equal 0. Is it clear?